Did you know that aging is not the reason you feel tired, slow, or unhealthy? Many people believe that getting older means an inevitable decline in energy and health, but that's simply not true. The truth is, how you age is largely determined by your lifestyle choices. The real secret to staying young isn't just genetics, it's the way you live your life. Your daily habits, the food you eat, the amount of physical activity you engage in, and even your mental outlook play crucial roles in how you age. Imagine waking up every day feeling vibrant and full of energy, regardless of your age. Forget what you've been told. Aging is not a slow decline. In fact, many seniors are more active and healthier than ever before. They are dancing, running marathons, and even kayaking. These activities are not just for the young, they are for anyone who chooses to live a healthy lifestyle. Science proves that small, daily habits can help you stay strong, sharp, and vibrant at any age. Simple changes like incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and keeping your mind active with puzzles or reading can make a significant difference. Let's break it down. What are these small, daily habits that can transform your life? First, let's talk about physical activity. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, flexibility, and cardiovascular health. Whether it's a fitness class, gardening, or simply taking a walk, staying active is key. Think aging is just about slowing metabolism? Think again. While it's true that metabolism can slow down with age, this doesn't mean you have to accept weight gain or decreased energy. Activities like running, swimming, and Tai Chi can help keep your metabolism active and your body in great shape. Most aging symptoms are caused by lifestyle, not time. This means you have the power to influence how you age. Eating nutritious meals, staying physically active, and practicing mindfulness and meditation can all contribute to a healthier, more vibrant life. Studies show that diet, exercise, and mental habits have 80% more impact than genetics. This is great news because it means you have control over your aging process. By focusing on healthy eating, regular exercise, and maintaining a positive mental outlook, you can significantly improve your quality of life. Want to age like a pro? Look at senior athletes and those participating in wellness retreats or adventurous activities like rock climbing. They are living proof that age is just a number. These individuals have made conscious choices to stay active and healthy, and it shows. Focus on these three keys: superfoods, strength training, and stress management. Superfoods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts are packed with nutrients that can boost your health. Strength training helps maintain muscle mass and bone density, while stress management techniques like yoga and meditation can improve mental health. Simple changes can make you feel 10 years younger. Imagine the difference it would make to feel a decade younger. By incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine, you can experience increased energy, better mental clarity, and improved overall health. The secret to aging well? It's about staying engaged and connected. Volunteering, playing sports, and socializing with friends and family can all contribute to a sense of purpose and well-being. These activities not only keep you physically active but also provide emotional and mental benefits. It's not about adding years, it's about adding quality. Spending time with grandchildren, dancing, and attending wellness workshops are all ways to enrich your life. The goal is to make the years you have as fulfilling and enjoyable as possible. Learn the right foods, workouts, and habits to stay vibrant and strong for decades. Educate yourself on the best foods to eat, the most effective workouts, and the habits that can keep you feeling young. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make healthy choices. Ready to unlock your best, healthiest life? It all starts with a commitment to yourself. Take the first step today by making small changes that can lead to big improvements in your health and well-being. Comment your #1anti-aging tip below. We want to hear from you. Share your best tips for staying young and healthy in the comments. Your advice could inspire others to make positive changes in their lives. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Stay tuned for more videos packed with valuable information to help you live your best life. Subscribe now and join our community of health-conscious individuals committed to aging well.